Hey guys, I'm back. Look at that. What I have for you today. Wow, that's a huge package. Let me show you. So I have bought the LG OLED TV 65E8 to replace my 2016 OLED 55C6. Oh, I just remember when I got my delivery for my TV, my TV was upside down. I was like, what the hell? And then I was so worried if there anything wrong, but fortunately nothing wrong with it. That unboxing it. I love the sound when I cut it. Cut. Alright. So now I'm gonna do the installation for the TV. I have this one in the stand, right? It's in metal. We have a little cover on the back, right here, this way. So that should be like this. All right. And I have the remote control, 2 battery. What is that? Oh, this is the screw for the stand. Instruction. Energy or safe reference or instruction. Yeah, there you go. You have Amazon. You have a roulette here. Alright. Let's try. So the 2016 model is like this one. And this is for the 2018. Dedicated button Amazon and Netflix on this one. Now this one we have pretty. So everything is quite just the same. You have subtitle. Subtitle is moving upward. Oh, the on and off button is gonna be different now. Okay, let's move on. How can I take out? Okay. So to install the TV stand, we need to slide it on into the black bezel in the bottom, on the bottom of the TV. So when we slide it on, when you heard the sound click, that in the video is gonna show you now, which means you are good to go. quite complicated. Actually, you just slide this on. It's a button here, and you just slide on. So basically, we just slide it on, and it's the two screw. As you can see, the white one, the little one, is gonna stuck in the bar, and it's gonna keep the stand. Oh, I just love this part. Look at that. So I'm gonna change the speaker. Now I'm gonna change to internal speaker because now it's connected to external speaker, which is my soundbar, and the TV speaker. So now I'm gonna change. So as you can see, the TV is really thin. So they call it picture on glass. So the back of the TV is actually, it's like on the front, you see it's glass. So the whole structure of the TV is glass. And this one is the speaker. It's just really nice and loud. So here you can see, so thin. Let me get into focus. Yeah, so thin here. So we hardly can see. The back is so shiny and it's really thin. So this is a close-up for the image of the 4K. It's beautiful. I'm gonna show you detail of it. So you are on the TV speaker, which is amazing. That sounds really good. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos supported. Let me bring up the volume. It's pretty damn good. The sound on that little speaker down here. The image is just so amazing. You cannot see, I mean, the pixel on the screen. Well, through the telephone is quite difficult, but I'll try to get in focus here. So this is the sound from the soundbar. color is so bright. It's just brilliant. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me up the volume of the soundbar. That's the SK9 wine. Now with this, with the remote itself, the remote of the television, look, you can moving up. You can turn up the volume. Let me go to 15. Sounds really good. I mean, it's only 15 and it's so loud. There you go, guys. See you guys next time.